Hey YouTube, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we've got the Smart Detail pen with us here. When I purchased this, it did not say Smart Detail on Amazon, but I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can go check it out. Let me show you the box here. And again, I'm not affiliated with it either, so this is free advertising. The only writing on the box is this right here. Made in China. What else does it say? Smart Detail camera pen. Get you guys a nice close up. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's like. I'm looking forward to it. So here we go. This little tab. You just pull on it. Now this is empty. So it's just on the side. V8 Pro pen use flow chart. Unscrew the pen, center it, put the memory card in, press and hold, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that kind of shows us how the pen operates. Let's put that up there. This is the actual pen now. Wow. Cool, I like it. It's huge. I didn't expect it to be so big, but they're saying unscrew the pen center and put the memory card in it. Let's go ahead and do that. That's what it looks like. Oh, the memory card's already in. Great, and that's the charging port. Pretty simplistic design from what I see here. Let's go ahead and screw it back in. And see what else comes in the box. I like this foam joint right here. That's pretty cool. What's this? Oh, this is a stand. That's hella cool right there. That's the USB cable. So you plug that in and then this goes into where we just unscrewed. Let's see what else is this here. V8 Pro pen. This is a little manual. It's a pretty unique book. I like how it's small, but still compact. Tells you all you need to know about the pen. Let's look through the first few pages. We've inserted and formatted the memory card for you. Great. Charging, red light on, fully charged, green light. Operating button is just the pen top right there. 4 seconds to turn on. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, cool. Oh, this is pretty sweet. So you can take the memory stick out the pen, hook it in here and plug it in your computer or whatever. And if you have a USB-C, you can use that. And then iPhone as well. Cool. And these are pen refills. Oh wow, so the actual pen, okay, so you twist it and it works. Let's write something down here. Like, sub, and share. One, two, three, four, 5 refills. And this clip, that I have no idea what that's for. I'll figure it out later. Well, there you go. That's the pen right there, fellas. If you did enjoy, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and go ahead and share this with one of your friends. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.